Florida man. It's a popular hashtag right now. They find challenges for themselves and funny and stupid at the same time. Like chasing alligators, jumping off bridges, chasing sharks. I'm a Florida man too. What should I do? Well, maybe I should change my life for better and start earning $60,000 to $70,000 per year. Maybe I should sign up for the course at the Learnix Center. Oh, let me show you. And change my situation finally. By the way, today is the 1st of April, and I've got a message from Learnix people, and they told us that whoever signs up today is going to get Tesla. It's a very good car, electric car too. Yeah, see, I called them and they sent me the key. So I'm going to the parking lot right now, like every Florida man would, and I'm going to search for my Tesla. As soon as I find, I'll let you know. Our classes start in Hallandale Beach on April 17th at 6 p.m. So we hope to see you there. Bye!